Hi everyone, my name is Shayla Reeves and you are watching Let's Craft. Today I'm going to be making some favors for contestants in the Miss Wheelchair Florida pageant. I'm in the process of completing favors for the Miss Wheelchair Florida pageant 2019. I have a number of projects to get to, so let's get started. Each one of the pageant contestants will receive a box just like this one. I've included a number of items. I scored some amazing deals online, and I want to show you what's inside. We have a lovely favor box, candy inside. I scored an amazing deal. These small glitter sequin bags, 10 for $12.99 on eBay. In addition to that, I found these very cute pens, and each one of the boxes contains a custom frame. Very similar to this one. I was able to add some scrapbook paper inside, and I included this lovely burned satin flower with a little beadwork on the corner. I have 10 of these to complete, and each frame is going to contain a message from myself. I always tell my friends, keep shining and sharing your light, and it's a message I want to share with the contestants too. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and add these messages. I've printed them out right here in advance. My husband was able to help me make sure they were all lined up so that they can go inside each one of the frames. So I'm going to go ahead and add the messages to the 10 frames. Just remove the scrapbook paper there on the inside, and I want to make sure that I'm lining all of this up correctly. And there you have it. Keep shining and sharing your light. Shayla Reeves, Mistress of Ceremonies, Miss Wheelchair Florida, 2015 to 2017. So this is the box I received from fellow crafter Erica Benoit from Georgia. I have been looking at this box in my living room for 2 days now, so I am so excited to dive in and see all of the lovely items she created. I told her what I was working on. We actually connected on Instagram, and I told her what I was working on, and she said, "Oh, I want to get involved too. I want to make something." And I said, "Go right away, have at it," because it is so much fun when you get to share what you're working on with someone else, when they want to get on board and help too. And in the end, it's all about creating an experience that's memorable and enjoyable for those receiving it. So you are getting to see this box with me for the first time. I'm just now getting inside of it. Let's see what kind of goodies she brought us. Okay, so we have these very cute bags. So cute. Her bags say "thank you so much" with the card attached, and then on the inside it says "Real Style Child," which is her handle on Instagram, and Erica Benoit. That's very, very cute. And so we have a whole set of bags here that we'll be able to include for each one of the contestants. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, so these are some absolutely gorgeous stands here. There's a candle inside each one of them, and then you can see there's some very cute embellishment added here along the bottom. Are those not adorable? That's going to make such a great addition to the bags for each of the recipients. These are tote bags. I had them made in coordination with a seller on Etsy from Tennessee. What was so neat about this project, when you step back and think about it, So many women from different parts of the country are really coming together to make a pageant night special for an amazing group of young ladies who are going to be competing in Florida. So it's so neat when you think about all of the people who gave their time and coordinated their efforts to help make this project special and meaningful for each one of the young ladies receiving these bags.